Hey guys, West Coast Picks here, and today I have this Dudley lock. Brass bodied, nice thick 12 mil hardened steel shackle. 5-pin core with a pretty good bitting. I don't know how many pins are actually, well, I know there's 5 pins in the core because there's 5 cuts on the key, but I don't know if it's a 6-pin core or a 5-pin core or whatever, but I haven't gutted it yet, but I have picked it before. I know there's spools in here. Works good. And, excuse me. I picked this once before, a couple days ago, when I first got it at locksmiths I don't normally go to. So, I saw it there on the wall, 25 bucks. I couldn't turn it down because I don't have one yet. So anyway, let's get into it. And from the last time I picked it a couple days ago, the only time I picked it, I remember it was a spool lock. So that means, like most spool locks, there's a standard pin somewhere that you have to get. And once you do, you're into your spools and the game gets a lot easier. So right now I'm just going to look for the spool, or for the standard pin, and get into my spools. Pin 1 feels like a little bit of something here. Alright, and it's open. So that's weird. I must have set a lot of the spools before I set the standard pin, because I didn't feel many of the spools. I felt a few of them in the beginning, and then I opened it on pin 1. And in these spool locks, pin 1 is usually the standard pin. Where is my Allen keys? So yeah, which probably means I managed to set most of the spools before setting the standard pin, which is kind of rare because it's almost, you don't get any feedback that way. I didn't have much feedback in the lock. Alright, so it looks kind of like the standard cam and everything in there. But the core doesn't look standard. That is weird. It is only 5 pin, so I don't know. Most likely this is a master, and well, American's master anyway. So anyway, let's get out the pinning tray. And get this clip off here. Ooh, yes. I love these ones that come off easy. My favorite. This doesn't look like it's going to be fun to get back together. See if I got my small Sharpie. Usually fits these small locks. And of course I've got to keep this up to right on the pins, hopefully. Let's do it over here just in case. Success. Alright, so let's go for these key pins here. And one we got. Come on, let's go. Standard. 2 we got. Whoa, 8. Okay. A master pin just fell out of chamber 2. Alright. Oh, there's another one on 3. Okay, this is weird. And that one just came out of 5, I think. put these back down. Yeah, it would have came out of 5. What the hell? Who puts master pins, master wafers on the key side? That's strange. Alright, so anyway, let's continue back in this lock. So that was actually out of chamber 2, that master wafer there. Wow, eh? Never seen that before. And it's the standard. That's strange. Why don't you just use a longer key pin? I don't. This is obviously keyed to some kind of master system, and it was on sale, just the one on the rack. So this is probably like a buyback or something. I don't know, or maybe they pinned it up for a job and made one too many, or I don't know. Weird. That is strange. Wow. Alright. Let's go. I got. Yeah. Pin 1 was our standard, so I did manage to set all or most of the spools, well, all of them, I guess, before I hit the standard pin, which was pin 1. Spool. As to where I didn't even feel, I felt like 1 or 2 of the spools at first, but I didn't feel any of them after. Then I hit pin 1 and it opened, so chances are I had the perfect amount of tension and was able to set all those spools without having to set the standard pin first. Alright. And so it was pretty much what I thought. Water springs out. And whoa. Hold on there. And that's what we got. We got a standard 4 spools on the top, and for some reason 3 master wafers on the bottom, and all standard pins. That is weird. Maybe that could be contributing to why it opens so easy and without much of the feedback. I might not have even dropped into the spools with these master wafers in there. I don't know why they're on the key side, which they are on the key side because they came out with the key, and there were actually, you know, voids, depressions for them. So we'll take say pin 3 here, put it in the lock. Yeah, let's see how far down that is. It needs the wafer. To bring it up to the shear line. So yeah, that's weird. I've never seen that. I've only seen the master wafer on the Bible side, but yeah, who knows? Probably is standard practice. I mean, the key probably doesn't care as long as it's in the shear line. Anyway, guys, that's the Dudley who knows what. Pretty nice lock though. I got for $25. Have a good one, and don't break any laws.